According to Bloomberg report, Elon Musk is not expected to move forward with Tesla investment in India anytime soon, as executives from the electric car maker have stopped contacted officials in the country. Elon Musk said that we won't be able to visit India as announced earlier after the country lowered import taxes on EV from foreign car maker that pledges to invest at least $500 million and start EV production from a local factory within 3 years of time. After meeting with Indian Prime Minister Modi, Tesla planning to open showrooms in New Delhi and Mumbai, aiming for 3,000 to 5,000 square feet outlet with service hubs. Some report also suggesting that the EV maker will focus on the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. All these states have already a chain of automotive hubs. If Tesla will accept the agreement of India, then Tesla going to send team to India to scout location for $2 to $3 billion EV plant. In India, many states minister wants Tesla factory in their location, but the expected location will be deployed across Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Haryana or Telangana.